Warm welcome was offered to Angtong Ingtikathar at Kheroni Market, West Karbi Anglong, after he was released from Dipu District Jail on bail from Guwahati High Court on 12 August. The people of Kheroni expressed their happiness over his release and welcome with joy at Kheroni, West Karbi Anglong. It was reported that Angtong Ingtikathar is a courageous, dynamic and patriotic youth icon and is loved by many. Therefore, his followers, APHLC workers and the people of West Karbi Anglong, after hearing the news of Angtong Ingtikathar being released from jail on bail, they gathered at Kheroni Market and celebrated his comeback with joy. Angtong Ingtikathar, while heading home, took a stoppage at Tiso Stall and paid his deepest condolence to Moina Derapi, also offered prayer and seek blessings from God. Moina Derapi is a patriotic woman who lost her life recently. At the time of her death, Angtong Ingtikathar was spending his time in jail, therefore he missed her funeral. Therefore, he visited the shop and paid tribute to Moina Derapi.
Election campaign ko tapulo. Karbi Anglong long tangka ke ong nai ko malo. Maki hai tu mong hang do. Lasi jase me ratung ka kiri bang nam derna ko madidi. Lasi alangli ahema rit longle pelang gari motor se jor laban rako akidni isira se jor tu der tangrum laban tangka penanta nili farang da moni kusini lik masota. Pasota ninge tanglo. Akema Jasemet ratum la solam bangke pipo sini yena ko. Jasemet ratum la soka pire do ko bangke moheta pulo la ke kardi tu masalam the lang ke jangtang la tumke la ke lang bulang ka pire. Lasi ana bangka preka tu muson akang lang ke jangtang ko tu lam machi. La soka sika pire do ko. Lasi nili ki puji pu bangke non pininang jog elo gente. Pininang jog ben nili ku pilo ninje ke. Kupilo pena pena ili kempo ke lanang pengun long lo pulutang te halaka piri ratung ke daga masi aning bang cepang samlong po nili puji bangke.
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni, Karbi Anglong Live.